Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and we got another quick video for you, Cooking with John. We're going to be fixing a quick sandwich. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be fixing a chicken rotisserie slices, and then we're going to be seasoning it with rotisserie chicken, and then we're going to be adding some slices of cut tomatoes. Now, normally I would be putting in slices of lettuce, but I'm going to be staying away from the lettuce for a little while until this situation is taken care of. All right, so we got our slices of rotisserie chicken right over here. We got two. I've already put some mayonnaise on the slice of bread. So let's go ahead and take the chicken, okay, and then put it down like that. I'm going to take the seasoning, the rotisserie seasoning chicken, and I'm going to put some there. Whoa, might be just a little bit too much, but I'm just going to move it around. Okay, I love the flavor of this rotisserie chicken, and it's really great. Now I'm going to take two slices of tomato that I just cut up. All right, and then I'm going to put the top bread on there. So it's going to be a nice, really good, thick, hearty sandwich right over there. That looks really yummy. That really does. How about that? Huh? Doesn't that make you hungry? Hey, thanks a lot for checking out this quick video. Hope you really appreciate it. You can make a great sandwich. It beats going out to McDonald's or Burger King when you can make a quick snack for yourself. Doesn't cost very much, relatively cheap. All right, be sure to check out my YouTube channel and playlist for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.